Good morning to all. Today our chapter is ratio and proportion. Okay, ratio and proportion. Exercise 5.3 from other books I am doing. It is given that A by B is equal to C by D. A by B is equal to C by D. It is given, and you have to prove. There are number one 3 parts are there. Whenever it is given A by B is equal to C by D equal to K given, that means let us take K. A equal to BK, C is equal to DK. Next you see what you have to prove here. You have to prove A square plus B square is to A square minus B square is equal to AC plus BD is to AC minus BD. That you have to prove. So first of all you have to copy left hand side. What is the left hand side? A square plus B square by A square minus B square. First, after copying the left hand side, put the value of A is equal to BK. That I have taken here. A is equal to BK. A square means BK whole square plus B square. Denominator will be same thing. A is equal to BK. BK whole square minus B square. Here B square K square plus B square. Okay, just to see. See, after putting the value of A is equal to BK, we are getting B square K square plus B square by B square K square minus B square. Taking B square common, what is left? K square plus 1 by K square minus 1. This is your left hand side. Same process you have to proceed right hand side. Your copy, you have right hand side is what? AC plus BD by AC minus BD. Putting A is equal to BK and C is equal to DK. It is coming BK into DK plus BD. Denominator coming A is equal to BK, C is equal to DK minus BD. You can take BD common. What is left? K square, K into K, K square plus 1. Denominator after taking BD common, K square minus 1. BD cancel out, K square plus 1 by K square minus 1. Okay. Now you see, left hand side is equal to right hand coming or not? Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand is verified. Let us go number 1, second part. Okay, let's see. Second part, you have to prove A square plus AB plus B square is to A square minus AB plus B square equal to C square plus CD plus D square is to C square minus CD plus D square. Now you have to put left hand side, that is A square plus AB plus B square by A square minus AB plus B square. Putting A is equal to BK means BK whole square plus A is equal to BK into B plus B square. After that, here also same thing, denominator A is equal to BK whole square minus A का जगह put करो BK into B plus B square. If I open, this will be, open the bracket, B square K square plus B square K plus B square. You can take B square common, K square plus K plus 1. Okay. After that, denominator also same thing, B square K square minus B square K plus B square. It's taking B square common. What is left? K square minus K plus 1. B square cancel. Left K square plus K plus 1 by K square minus K plus 1. Now right hand side. What is your right hand side? That is C square plus CD plus D square by C square minus CD plus D square. Putting C is equal to DK. Since C is equal to DK. Putting C is equal to DK here. Coming DK whole square. DK into D plus D square. Here also same thing, denominator C is equal to DK whole square minus C का जगह DK put करो into D plus D square. If I open the bracket, this will be D square K square plus D square K plus D square by D square K square minus D square K plus 1. Okay, just see. Now putting C is equal to DK, what you are getting here? D square K square plus D square K plus D square. You can take D square common. Left K square plus K plus 1. Denominator also same thing. D square K square minus D square K plus D square. That I written here. Taking D square common, what is left? K square minus K plus 1. Now D square cancel. Left K square plus K plus 1 by K square minus K plus 1. Which is nothing but left hand side and right hand both are equal. Therefore, it is proved. Second part proved. Let us go third part. See the third part question, you have to prove A square plus C square root over is to B square plus D square root over is equal to PA plus QC is to PB plus QD. Now first of all copy left hand side. What is given here left hand side? A square plus C square root over by B square plus D square root over. Putting A is equal to BK means A B square K square plus C का जगह D के put करो D square K square by B square plus D square root over. Now K square you can take common. If you K square common, it will be outside K. What is left? B square plus D square by root over and B square plus D square root over. Cancel K left. Right hand side. PA plus QC is to PB plus QD. Putting A is equal to BK, C is equal to DK. Okay. And taking K common, PB plus QD. Denominator PB plus QD. This is cancel K left. This is nothing but left hand side and right hand equal coming. Okay. Therefore, it is proved. Second part. Number 1, third part completed. See the question number what is given. Question number 2. Question number 2, it is given that x by a is equal to y by b equal to z by c given. And you have to prove so many questions are there. There are 3 parts of question there. I am solving 2 questions today. X is equal to, it will be how much? If I take hk, x is equal to ak, y is equal to bk, and z is equal to ck. Putting the value of x, y, z in the left hand side as well as right hand side, we can prove the easily. See the question given, you have to prove x cube by a cube, x cube by a cube, x cube by a square. Question given x cube by a square plus y cube by b square plus z cube by c square equal to x plus y plus z whole cube by a plus b plus c whole square. This is whole square given. Okay, whole square. First of all, you have to copy the left hand side. Putting x is equal to ak means ak whole cube, and y का जगह bk put करो, bk whole cube, z equal to ck whole cube. Now it will be k cube. I have taken k cube common. A cube by a square, b cube by b square plus c cube by c square. So a cube by a square means a left, b cube by b square means b left, c cube by c square means c left. K cube, a plus b plus c. This is your left hand side. Okay, let us go right hand side. See the right hand side, it is given x plus y plus z whole cube by a plus b plus c whole square. Putting x is equal to ak, y is equal to bk, z is equal to ck. That I have taken before. Now, you can take k common here. If it is taken outside of the bracket, this is whole cube given, this will be k cube. K cube, a plus b plus c whole cube by it will be how much? A plus b plus c whole square, that is written here. K cube left, a plus b plus c whole cube by a plus b plus c whole square. That is 1 a plus b plus c left. This is nothing but left hand side is equal to right hand, it is proved. And second part, the question is given, you have to prove x cube plus y cube plus z cube by a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to xyz by abc. Means same process you have to apply. Putting x is equal to ak whole cube, y is equal to bk means bk whole cube, z is equal to ck whole cube. It will be a cube k cube plus b cube k cube plus c cube k cube. Taking k cube common, what is left? A cube plus b cube plus c. Downside denominator a cube plus b cube plus it is cancel out, k cube left. This is your left hand side. Now come to right hand side. What is the right hand side? That is given x y z by abc. X is equal to ak, y is equal to bk, z is equal to ck by abc. It is coming k cube abc by abc. The abc cancel, left k cube. Now it is coming equal or not. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. It is proved. In this way, today I have completed 5 questions from the ratio proportion exercise 5.3 for your revision. Thank you for today's class.